Okay, this is the Iron Man voice changer slash soundboard test number 3. I changed the effects that I wanted. I picked the ones that I wanted, and I added some AC/DC tracks to it to spiff it up a little. Alright, let's try this out. So it still changes my voice, testing 1, 2, 3, but now...
Will that be all, Mr. Stark?
That will be all, Miss Bonds.
Sir, there are still terabytes of calculations needed.
Guys, I'm bringing the party to you. Sometimes you gotta run before you can walk.
Test complete, preparing to power down and begin diagnostics.
All right, hey. All right, good job, guys. Let's just not come in tomorrow. Let's just take a day.
And the last 6.
Will that be all, Mr. Stark?
That will be all, Miss Bonds.
End of test 3.